The journey from desert floor to high-tech factory begins here. One of the largest buildings on Earth, designed to change the world.
Entry is strictly controlled. Only the purest materials get in.
Precision starts even before the truck enters the building. Cables secured. Hoses connected. We are clear to initiate the transfer sequence. This white powder is the heart of the electric revolution.
The recipe for energy density is being cooked right here.
This black goo will soon hold enough power to move 82,000 pounds.
The viscosity is within the target range for the graphite slurry.
Looks good. We are clear for degassing on line 2.
A single air bubble here could cause a fire later.
Check the solvent levels at the exit vent.
99% recovered. The sheet looks perfect for the rollers.
Sliced to perfection, ready to be rolled into cells.
One drop of water here kills the battery instantly.
Thousands of layers wound in seconds, the core of the cell.
The spark of life. This liquid makes the electricity flow.
The cells are waking up for the very first time.
The cooling system passes the 5-bar pressure test. Keeping it cool is vital when pulling 80,000 pounds up a hill.
A honeycomb of power, thousands of cells working as one. Connecting the dots, creating a river for electricity to flow.
The monster battery is ready. Now for the muscle.
More copper means more torque for heavy loads.
No shifting gears, just instant, relentless power.
Alignment is perfect. Check the inverter seal.
Looks good. This one's ready for the dyno.
We are well within the performance envelope.
Verified. The thermal validation is complete.
right, lock it down. Check the gap at the seam.
Tolerance is perfect, right at 3 millimeters.
Excellent. Proceed to the next station.
Ostrich feathers, nature's perfect dust magnet.
Zebra stripes reveal secrets the naked eye can't see.
The rotation is complete. Engage the safety mechanisms now.
Confirmed. Locks are secure. Team B, move in with the suspension components.
Orange means danger, the arteries of high voltage.
AGV skateboard aligned. Laser guidance indicates green.
Acknowledged. Proceed with the lift sequence.
Three hearts are better than one.
Align the mounts on the left side, carefully.
Secured. Moving to the main coolant line now.
Ensure all clamps are torqued correctly.
Nitrogen filled. Ready for the long haul. Taking the doors off to fill the belly.
Okay, guide it through the firewall now.
Watch the corner, lift assist coming up.
Secured on the left side.
Okay, push it up on your side.
Got it. Secure the front clips now.
Snapping the last one in place.
Glass that fights back. Built to survive the highway.
Building the command center offline.
EPAS engaged and fully operational. The wheel is ready. A floor so flat you can stand up and walk. Perfect alignment. It's fully secured to the central axis.
The captain's chair is ready for the road.
Space for a co-pilot or just more gear.
Torque is good at 45.
Alignment is flush. Go for the acoustic check.
Solid thunk. Sealed capsule confirmed.
Drop locks engaged. Payload secure.
Confirmed. Moving the cab to Station 4. Approaching the chassis now.
Torque reading confirmed at 800 Newton meters. Logged. Green light. The circuit is closed. It's alive.
Flipping the switch on a sleeping giant.
Using laser precision and 3D mapping, the tie rods are adjusted to within 1/100th of a degree.
Megacharger engaged. Green light confirmed. We have full power flow.
Shaking it apart to make sure it stays together.
Mobile connector is secure.
Triangles in place.
Tire hose is packed. We are good to go.
20,000 kilograms on the nose.
Perfect. That confirms the build.
All targets acquired. Stand by for verification.
Confirmed. Calibration successful.
Born digital. Every bolt is recorded.
Check the status on Unit 72.
It's ready. SOC is at 50%.
Merging like a sports car, pulling a warehouse.